Hey guys, just wanted to show you what we're going to be building. It's just like a little mini project. Employee maintenance has the home page has a list of employees. You could add a new employee. It has client-side validation to force you to. I'm just going to call Mike Johnson. Hire dates. I got validation on this too. Um, we'll just do 555 Main Street, employee salary. So we could see I have this all wired up, and I'm going to click save. Employee added. You could clear the field, to reset it to the beginning, or just hit back. And now we're back to the employee list. You could edit the employee, go back. If you want, you could also reset it to be the original values. If you want to just cancel out of it, go back. We have a display only, so you could delete it as a confirmation. I'll just hit OK, and yeah, so we'll build this thing out, and yeah, if you have any questions or you want to see anything additional, just reach out to me, and I'll be happy to help. So let's get started.